able to show me a pic.
What? I want to
How can I
introduce
see?
you. I want to
Thank
introduce you
you.
to my friend Wendy. She's from Nicaragua, USA.
Oh,
She's so beautiful, so delightful, and truthful. Tay ka ba, Wendy? Oy? Yeah, are you looking for a serious relationship right now or not?
not really.
Not really. Okay, if there's
My girlfriend is tough,
tough, tough, based sa
very
bottom,
tough.
ganun. Ah,
My girlfriend is tough,
very tough.
very tough.
Parang tigasin ganun. Why tough? Is she a man?
No, no, not really.
Why
She's our
did you say
lady.
it's is she is tough? What do you mean by that?